South East Water has had a maintenance model in place for several years now. It sets out how we want to operate, what the terms and conditions are, what the key deliverables are, what the expectations are from industry partners.
Our current maintenance model has served us well for almost the last 10 years. Moving forward, we want to do things new and different and learn from the experience that the industry brings.
When we're out looking for new partners, we're looking for those that align with our values and that have the capability of taking us on this step change of performance that we're after. Our most important value is safety, and we need to make sure that we keep our people safe, our partners safe, and the community safe.
When we went out to tender, we were searching for organisations that mirrored South East Water values. Things like care for the environment, being bold, being innovative.
They are the face of South East Water, and they are the ones our customers interact with most closely.
So as a business, we decided to split into two streams to widen the pool of resources and expertise we could draw on, not just for this current contract, but for the long-term future for the business as well too.
We're excited to welcome our preferred industry partners. In Program Stream 1, we welcome Downer and Service Stream. In Program Stream 2, we welcome Service Stream and Programmed. Each of these partners are expected to deliver some great innovations for South East Water, and they all have demonstrated track records in the water industry.
Downer, for example, are not unknown to South East Water. They have worked with us in the past in different parts of the business. For Programmed, we are interested in some of the management stuff that they mentioned in their procurement process and bringing that to the table, especially about the trainee program that they mentioned. And also with Service Stream, they've been consistent performers for us for some years now. So we're looking forward to continue working with them.
So Downer's got great shared alignment with South East Water's values. We utilise our 4 pillars, which is safety, delivery, relationships and thought leadership. Downer's really excited with the 5+5 year program, the security that can bring our workers and the robust continual improvement that we can bring to the table.
So we've got Area 2, so the Mornington Peninsula area for mechanical and electrical. Because we're going to be doing the mechanical and electrical work for Melbourne Water as well, we'll have a cohort of tradespeople. When it comes to pressure sewer, we do a lot of pressure sewer work with Greater Western Water as well. So we've got a level of expertise in that space that we can offer South East Water and their customers. I think the area that we've been selected for and the services that we provide really dovetail together well.
The relationship with South East Water started back in 2013 when we initially won the contract, and then we got it extended in 2018. With South East Water, it's always been very open. We're going to have some great times, we're going to have some innovations coming out of it. We don't know what's just around the corner, so it's a plus for everybody.
We can't just continue to work the same way we always have. There are always new ideas and innovations out there that we should look to others to bring to the table, and that's one of the things we're looking forward to.
The new maintenance model enables us to capture richer asset data, enabling the organisation to make more data-driven decisions in the future to ensure our network performs at optimum at all times.
A big thank you to all the teams that have got us this far. It's been a mammoth effort, the South East Water team and the partners. Really looking forward to building the relationships and the partnership together. At the end of the day, it's about delivering for our customers.
This is a really big deal for South East Water. Everyone's so excited to be working with new industry partners. We've put a lot of time and effort into this, and so have our industry partners as well. We look forward to innovation, new ideas, fresh thinking. It's going to be fantastic.